CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi.
It takes place everywhere.
Sambut Myntri Rangbah ke Jela ba Prestun Tensong ha ke Jingïalang ka khatwei tere ku jembang arajar arpuar ulai thu ba Myntri Rangbah ke Jela unsalum Jingïalang bania thersani kumno ban shemi kilat kilinti ha ka bai dei ba ka Kiewdor jong ka Petrol ka diesel bat kumjuru ka tendong air setting shed ni ka liquefied petroleum gas ka ni ka Kiewdor jong ka Petrol ka diesel bat samentapat ka Kiewdor jong tendong air setting shed kala penso sat bha ya ki babun kilong yeng khamtam na ka jingram ka bam ka di bat ka lekawan.
It happens every I had to take a call of this, so I think let me sit down with CM. Maybe let us see how to go about it, because as I said to you, even not only our state, this this hike, it takes place everywhere, not only in India, throughout the world. So once we take a call, means we need to take a call. Every state has to take a call. Even the central government has to step into this.
And even the LPG.
What I'm saying, once we take a call, we need to take a call all these items. So hopefully, I think CM will maybe he will convene a meeting on this issue. So we will ultimately take necessary decision on this. But as I said to you, this is not isolated in Meghalaya. It happens everywhere. It happens in the entire nation. So therefore, I think jointly, not only state government, central government also has to take a call on this.
But what
I think number one, if you talk about the fuel, I think we all see it, we all know. It happens because of the Ukraine-Russia war happened, and now it affects not only in these two countries, but it affects to the global itself. So therefore, I think this is not the issue of India alone, but it is also the issue globally.